Welcome to Las Vegas. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we're parked at the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off. Cell phones may now be used, however laptop computers and other large electronics must remain stowed. Once we arrive at the gate, please use caution when opening overhead bins to prevent injury from any articles that may have shifted during that beautiful landing. For questions regarding ground transportation and baggage claim, a Frontier customer service representative will meet this flight upon arrival and is happy to assist you. For those customers needing special assistance, we kindly ask that you remain seated until the majority of the customers exit the aircraft, as this will allow us to better assist you. For those customers visiting Lost Wages, we wish you a pleasant stay. And for those who live in the Las Vegas area, welcome home. On behalf of your crew and everyone on Team Frontier, thanks for traveling with us today. Please be sure to visit flyfrontier.com the next time you plan to fly to get our lowest fares done right. Thank you and have a great day.
And ladies and gentlemen, from the flight deck as advertised, we're going to hold here just for a couple of moments until company figures out how long that gate is going to be occupied. If not, they'll look for a different gate, being that we're so early. So remain seated. We are on an active taxiway until I turn off the fasten seatbelt signs. Thank you. We were scheduled to park the gate at E11, Echo 11, so we'll advise you in just a few moments.